This REMAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Laura Petersen. Amazing lakefront home has awesome open floor plan. Kitchen is a chef's delight with tons of counter space and huge walk-in pantry. All overlooks a gorgeous pool area and lake. Upstairs rec room could easily be a fourth bedroom. This fantastic home also offers a fenced yard for your pets and an oversized 2-car garage for all your toys. All on over ½ acre. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle. For more information, review the details below or contact Laura Petersen at 772-589-3054.